Hey everyone, it's Josephina. I just finished recording a Make Lunch With Me video that I will be posting later on, but I wanted to post this video first because I have made a decision about my channel. I want a name that better fits what I'm doing, and while I do dream of having a homestead, I feel like I'm currently living that dream to a certain extent because I've got the garden, I've got the chickens. Life is already heading that way, and I'm so proud of myself and I'm so proud of my little family. But because I want my channel name to better represent what it is that I do here, which is sharing a lot of recipes, and hopefully soon when learning this garden process gets a lot easier for me and I'm growing things a lot better, I want to be able to do a lot of garden to table videos. And so to go with that, I am changing my name to Soil and Sazon. So if you happen to see that come up and you're like, who? I don't remember subscribing to that channel. It's just me. Still the same content, all the same things, just a different name that I feel will better fit this channel. So thanks again for sticking around and watching all the videos. I hope you guys enjoy everything that's to come, and I hope that you stick around even through the name change. I'll see you in the next one.